The market finds a top in the A wave, then pulls back, and we cash another winning trade. This is Invest with Jacob. Okay, guys, so yesterday we told you that the CPI data would likely be the catalyst that would allow the market to either extend higher to try to complete the A wave or decide that the A wave has topped and pull back. We thought it would extend higher, and it did, and it pushed up and almost got to that 1.0 extension at 47.43. From there, it pulled back just a little bit and has now been tracing out kind of a B-wave triangle that we're following. Now, there are several paths we can take from here, and I'll get into all those in just one second. But first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard, and this is Invest with Jacob, where we use Elliott Wave Theory to break down the SP 500. I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. Okay, guys, so the market reacted as we expected today. It pushed up in the morning towards that 47.43 area, didn't quite get there, and then pulled back a little bit from there. From here, it's been tracing out what appears to be a triangle, which leaves us with a couple options on the plate. So let's jump into the chart and take a look. Okay, guys, here we are on the 5-minute futures chart. And so as you can see, when we got the CPI data, we pushed up pretty hard, and then right after the open, they sold it off down to this 382 retracement of this move here from B to C. Okay, it hit that 382 retracement, so we thought we might get wave 5 of C up there, so we did buy that bounce, and we sold it up here once it failed to fire and made about 18% on that trade. So a winning trade today, nothing huge, but a nice winning trade. Always good to put money in our pocket. From there, we've traced out a triangle here. So let's talk about the potential counts because there's a few different things we're looking at, and I'll tell you why we have a few options. So the first thing is we're assuming that this is the top of wave A or wave 2. Wave A is the primary count. We are in the bullish count now, where B will hold and we'll get C up towards 48.50. And the alternate count is that this was wave 2 and B does not hold, and we start wave 3 of C down towards that 44.40 to 43.50 area I've been talking about. So if we assume that this is the A wave of B, this spike down to the 382, all right, and now we're tracing out a B wave triangle here of B. So this is A, and then we're tracing out B of B to get C down to this area to get our B wave completed. That would be our primary count for now because I would expect a bigger pullback. So our primary count is we're looking for a pullback into this 46.56 to 46.37 area. I really want the 618 to hold for the B wave to play out. If we break below this fib, even though I said the 764, if we break below this fib, I'm going to start to get worried, and we must hold the 764. That is the absolute must-hold area at 46.12, but I think that's going to be a little deeper than we want for this pullback. So I really want 46.37 to be kind of the warning zone where we need to hold and bounce there. But there's a couple things about the structure that make me think we may not see this 618. Number one is that the A wave down projects us to the 46.80 area. And in that 46.80 area, we do have a lot of support over here off of this structure. So it is possible we hold 46.80 and rally from there. Okay, the other thing is the 1 hour MACD I've showed you a few times in the last few videos is still supportive of a huge rally off of this low, and we still have a ways to go. And when that happens, very often we see shallow pullbacks for these types of waves. So 46.80, okay, is where A equals C projects to, and that is the first area I will be watching for a bounce tomorrow. Now the standard fibs are the 50% and the 618 down to 46.56 and 46.37. But as I said, this could project down to 46.80 and bounce from there. Okay, that is the primary path, that we have a pullback at least to 46.80, possibly deeper to these fibs. Okay, the second path is that this area here is all of the B wave. Okay, and I don't think that's the case, but again, we have seen many times that when the MACD is as oversold as it was, we get very stingy, very shallow pullbacks on these tops, and then the market takes off again to keep basically this rally going. Essentially, they've consolidated at the highs here, which is fairly bullish. So it is possible that this is all of B that it's tracing out in this triangle, and we go up from here. That is an alternate count. It is not the primary. But our key will be breaking out over 47.54. And the reason that will be the key number is that is the 764 retrace of the move down. So again, just like I said, we have to hold 764 down here on the way down. Same goes for moving up. So if they break the 764 on the way up, which is 47.54, if they break through that, okay, once you break the 764, it's very likely you go challenge the old high and make new highs after that. So 47.54 is the key level to watch should they try to push this higher, and that's the alternate count that all of wave B is done. Okay, so what we would watch for there is the market to accelerate from here, take out this high, and once it takes out this high, we're on high alert for that 47.54 area to break, because really if we're in the B wave down, we should not be taking out this high. So that is the first alternate count, which is we are getting done with B here and we accelerate higher. Again, that is based on the fact that the MACD was so oversold, and very often these pullbacks become very short and very stingy. So 47.54 is the key level to the high side for a breakout towards 48.50. The third alternate path is that we are in wave 3 of C down, and for there we would push down from here and break the 618 fib and ultimately break this 764 fib at 4612. If 4612 breaks, guys, very, very big warning that we are in wave 3 of C down, and we should look for the A wave and then a B wave and then a monster C wave down that we can short for that trade. But again, that is an alternate count because of the things I've talked about in the past videos. The irregular 3-wave top that we got, we need a 5th wave up to complete that pattern and give us a regular top, as well as the oversold MACD that's supportive of a several hundred point rally higher. So guys, that's really what we're watching today. Are they going to be able to give us a proper pullback into that 4680 or below area and then go up and see towards that 48.50 target? Are they going to be able to just ignite it from here and break through 47.54 and take us to that 48.50 target? Or do we see wave 3 of C down and a really strong down move from the bears that breaks the 618 and ultimately the 764 at 4612? So those are the 3 main paths we are watching today. So guys, if you haven't been in my trading room, you're missing out. We've had winning trades. I give real-time market updates. I've walked us through all of this to keep your sanity, and it is really a great place to be. So if you like the information that I put out in these videos and you want real-time market updates from me, you need to get in my Facebook group, okay? There's a link down in the description. Go ahead and click that link and it will take you over to Facebook. When you get to Facebook, okay, you do have to get approved to get into my group. And the only thing that I ask is that you subscribe to this YouTube channel. So hit that subscribe button down below. Come on over to Facebook. We've got over 1,300 members in here. And to get the best out of this room, guys, come down here and hit this featured button, okay? Hit that, scroll down. You'll see a link to all of our documented trades. I need to update that this week. We don't have our last few trades on there, but that is most of the trades we've done since I've started the channel. Scroll down just a little bit further and you will see a link to my Slack channel. Now, Slack is just a free chat channel and I'm on there all day giving real-time market updates, answering all of your questions, and giving out my buy and sell alerts. Okay, it is an excellent group of traders from the very beginner to the very expert, and it's an awesome place to learn or improve your trading. So come on over, guys, and let's make some money together. Okay, guys, key takeaways for today. We're watching to see what happens out of this triangle. If they are able to take off from here and take out this high, we're watching 57 or 47.54. Okay, if they break 47.54, it's very likely we've started C wave up towards that 48.50 target. If they are not able to break out, we're looking for a pullback in either the B wave or wave 3 of C down. The B wave targets 46.80 first, as in A equals C, and our standard fibs are 46.56, and the area I'd like to hold is 46.37. So as long as we can hold this 46.37, I still really like the ending diagonal towards 48.50. And for the C wave, or for 3 of C, I should say, we should break this 61.8 fib at 46.37 and ultimately this 46.12 fib as well. And that will be a major warning that we are starting wave 3 of C down towards that 44.40 to 43.50 area. But right now, the primary is the bullish count with an A, B, C up towards 48.50. All right, guys, that is the market update for today. I will talk to you tomorrow.